Next up, we have an LOL surprise #hair vibes. So on the zipper, it's really cute. It's a hair dryer. And on the back, it says 15 surprises. OMG. That's a lot of surprises. That's way more surprises than we got. And the other one, we got only 7. And also, if you were counting the surprises before I told you, did you count 7? Ow! Okay, I'm gonna need the scissors. Wait, no, never mind. Okay. Oh no, the sticker dropped. I think... Okay, got it. Now it says, has a party horn, arrow, and pigtails. Do you know what this means? Comment down below or email if you do. Let's move that aside while we pause. Okay, you ready? And the answer is party over hair. Wow, didn't even know that. They say you learn something new every day, and it kind of is true. Now let's open up the second zipper. Well, maybe not open it. Let's do the weird stringy thing. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. No. Didn't work. Spaghetti, 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 spaghetti. Spaghetti. Okay. We can start to feel the surprise part. I call it the surprise dome. You never know what you're gonna get. And it vanished. Now you see, it's huge. It's even bigger than both of my hands. That's how huge it is. Oh, kind of hard to open too. Boy. Okay, you ready? Whoa, that is a lot of baggies. So I think this one is with our LOL. So let's save it over here. My favorite color, by the way. This one, these, and these. They look like little yogurt cups, but I know they're not. Because probably while they were delivering, the yogurt would already get contaminated. Eat. Okay. And also, not in a surprise bag, but just randomly, we got this awesome little zipper thing. So then we can like put it in our ball, I guess. And it can make a cute little purse or something. Yeah, there's little holes right here where we can stick this in. But let's do that after we unbox everything. So this is the grand prize. Just like in an advent calendar, when you count down to Christmas. Usually the last one is the biggest and the best surprise. Ooh, a microphone. It's golden. Okay, let's move this. Let's open this one. Oh, I held 2 bags by accident. This one feels like a headband. Okay. Oh, yep, I was right. It looks a lot like the other headband. It looks like liquid gold. I wonder if this is a rock star. Ha ha ha. Oh no, this is a very tiny detail. I should say details, but I don't know where the other one is. It's supposed to be a shoe. It's very cute. Wanted. I don't think it failed. Never mind. Let's put that one shoe up here. Just to know. We need to find sister. Oh, found it. It was in the other half. No wonder. Okay, we're just going to put it here. Okay. Now let's open this one, which I think is the bottle. Yep, it looks very pretty. White and gold go very good together. So I think very good color choices. That's my number one. Very, very good. I give that like a 5-star color choice. Because I mean, first a golden microphone, then a liquid golden headband, then golden and white shoes, then this. This is like the perfect LOL. Okay, let's see this one. Very small bag. I can barely feel anything in it. Let's see what's in it. Okay. Okay. Aw, it's a cute little comb. If it were golden, then that would totally match the awesome rock star. And if you don't get the joke, gold is made out of rock. Or a type of rock. Oh my gosh, this is the most prettiest outfit ever. It looks like little pajamas. Look at this. Also, I think that the pink matches in because rose gold. Very pretty. I used to have rose gold shoes, but they don't fit anymore, sadly. So here, feels like a little dome. I wonder what's in here. Ooh, it's a little mini. Wait, no, it's not. It's hair. Wow, very pretty, trendy braids. Okay, last but not least, before our LOL, we have a cute little bow hairstyle, which totally matches the headband. Okay, now that we've opened all the accessories, we're just gonna move that aside. And first of all, we're going to save this for last, of course, because we have these weird yogurt puppy thingies. Ugh. OMG! Look at these! It's really fluffy. Okay, we have one of those. We have a top pony. And we have another one. Oh, I get it. Probably because together they make like 2 little pom-poms. It looks like little fluffy pom-poms for a hairstyle. And then here we have that and that. I wish you guys could feel this because this feels like so soft. Okay. Anyways, I think it goes like this or like that. Oh, like this. That makes more sense. Okay. So she can have little cotton candy hair. She can have 2 little pom-pom ponies. Or she can have her little bow. Oh, no. Or she can have her little cotton candy braids. And magic! And ta-da! Okay. Now, I promise, no more surprises. Now is the moment you've all been waiting for. Dun, dun. And we have this little cutie with cotton candy hair and cute fishnet golden stockings and a little pink swimsuit, which will soon turn into the best outfit ever. She has little earrings too, and she's very, very excited, I think, because look at this outfit. Okay, now before we must get out the checklist to check out who we got. And it says on this part, so cool. It says unbox me. Perfect! We just unboxed her in an unboxing video. I feel like we should get an award for the most unboxing for unboxing. Okay. And it says, bet you can't find me. Change my hairstyle is, oh my gosh, we got a cover one. Look, she says change my hairstyle right there. That one. Okay, now let's look in the back. Oh my gosh, we got Superstar. And she's fancy. Oh my gosh, that's so perfect. She's the second rarest. Okay. She has very pretty hair. And from the picture, it looks very gorgeous. And she's from the Glee Club. No wonder she's a superstar. So let's get some cold water and some hot water and let's dip her in to see how she color changes. But first, very important, we read the instructions. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, first it says, you dip your LOL in cold water. For hot water, this is confusing. Okay, never mind. So anyways, you just color change her. Then you put on her little plastic hair. Then you stick on the fluffy hair. Then you stick on the other fluffy hair. And then you can close it in. Wow. Wow. That's a ton of instructions. And I think it says that this is a real zipper or something. Yeah, I think it is. Whoa. No, sadly. So, let's put on her cotton candy braids, which I personally think is a very good choice. So let's put it on one half of her head. Ugh. Oof, it don't fit. Okay. Maybe let's just put on this hair. Wow, very pretty. Just need to figure out. Okay, maybe I should have paid attention. Okay, so it says, get the jelly hair. Let's try this jelly hair. Oh, I think I meant this one. Okay. Get the jelly hair. Like this. So if you guys get this, make sure you put on the jelly part, not the two halves. Yeah, I learned that, okay? Okay, now I know. So I'm just going to put these two halves back in the little yogurt cuppy thingy. And now what we do is we put the two halves on it. Let's try these. Oof, it still doesn't fit. But maybe it fits on the bow. No. It says it's supposed to fit on the bow, but maybe we need these. I guess not. At least she looks kind of pretty like this. Does look nice. So let's look on the checklist one more time. It says that she's supposed to have a really cute bun, like so. But sadly, I can't figure it out. So I'm just going to put all of this hair stuff off camera, hoping some magic will happen. While we wait, it says she is supposed to color change. Color changing LOLs are some of my favorite LOLs because I'm so excited to see. In the Glitterati Club, they have rare. I wonder what the ultra rare one is. And the most rare is Scuba Babe, which is the most popular. Like Bet You Can't Find Me. She was on the rapping a lot. So I think that's why they made her a really rare. There's also Peanut Butter, which is also a star because she was on the first rapping. But she's a popular. We have Black Belt. She looks like a karate star. Darling and Masquerade. They're from the Glam Club. They look very pretty. Oof, that was my shoulder. Oh, okay. We figured it out. So you're supposed to put the hair on. Then you're supposed to rip it off. Then you get this like ball thingy. And then you can put these on. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. this. Ugh. Okay. I saw the magic happening. That was very loud magic indeed. And she's a superstar with her new cotton candy fluffy hair. So now let's put on, oh wait, before we put on her outfit, we need cold water and hot water to test out the color change. Okay, let's just wait for the magic to happen. Magic happens on its own. And I like how her head only goes back because the hair is weighing it down. Oh no, her hair, okay. Gonna have to click it in again. So what you do is you get a big ring at the top. And you connect it with the other big ring. And make sure that the bottom part is clicked in. But with this hairstyle, there's a lot of hair, so it gets in the way. And you must make sure it clicks. Like a click. Oh no, now the other half fell. That's the thing with this hairstyle. Let's just put on the pom-poms. That's easier. Okay, clicked in. And you don't have to do pom-pom with pom-pom. You can do pom-pom with puffy. Or you can do puffy with pom-pom. Or you can even do this one with puffy, or this one with this one. The possibilities are literally endless. You can do whatever hairstyle you want, whenever you want, which is the cool part. So now, we have some very cold water. And that's the part that changes. It says, do not dip hair in the water. So we'll just dip. So we'll just take her. Wait, let's not take it off. Let's just be very careful. And let's move her arms down. Because her arms are staying like this. And I know how it feels. It's very tiring. But she don't want to. So let's just leave it. Oh no. Oh no. I got a little bit of her hair wet. OMG. She has a little leopard print and a little, here, let me just refresh it. And some black Glee shorts. Because she's in the Glee Club. So it's kind of a requirement if you ask me. Oh no, she has ice between her legs. Okay, we accidentally got her hair just teeny bit wet. But no big deal. And then with the warmth of my finger, I want to show you something magic. Here, I'll dip it again so you can see. So you see tiger or leopard print. Yeah, I'm magic. Wee! You should just call me Magic Mike. Wee! She doesn't really move her legs very much. Or her arms. But that's okay. She wants to sing for you after she gets dressed. Because she can't go to the concert without any clothes and just a swimsuit. So I need some magic to help me. Magic, magic, magic spell. Make her perfect for the show. While we do that, connect that. La 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 la. I can hear her practicing. If you need to, you can pause it. Okay, unpause, please. And comment down below or email if you have any LOLs from hashtag Hair Vibes, or the Sparkle LOLs. Or if you have the exact same one. Wouldn't that be awesome? Even if you don't have the same one, or you have an ultra rare. Ta-da! So pretty. What a pretty jacket. And it says that some of the things color change. The water bottle doesn't. If you smile, it helps the pain. Okay, let's see her bow. Oh wait, her bow is backwards. Magic, you have failed me. Oh wait, no, you haven't. You're still good. Okay, it doesn't. Maybe her clothes. Nope. Now she's freezing cold. Let's put a jacket on. Okay. There's a towel for you, Miss Superstar. And we must put it on you. Because, oh my gosh, is that a star on her cheek? No, that was all there. Dang it. Okay, let's just dry her. And now, let's just give her a sip, even though she doesn't do anything. So I don't think it's a very good idea to give her a sip. But it's just fun to fill up the water bottle anyways. And now, last but not least, so she can be on center stage at all times. Let's put on her shoes so she can stick on to the little globe thingy, or the ball, or whatever it's called. But geesh, this is getting long. Sadly, we're gonna have to do the playtime separate because it's already been 45 minutes. And also, if you need to pause for a second. Okay, during that time, I hope you subscribed and liked. Well, you don't have to, but at least do one of those. Bye for now.